Hey guys, before this video starts, I want to give you the quick heads up. On February the 27th of 2020, I had court. February the 27th of 2020, the trespass case from AV Hospital was thrown out. On February the 27th of 2020, I walked outside and I witnessed the sheriff's department out there with multiple tow trucks, and they were towing vehicles off of the parking lot from the court building. I even sat there and spoke to a deputy for like 10 minutes about the bullshit that they were doing up there that day. Not one time did this deputy sit there and say, hey man, you got a $2,000 warrant for disturbing the peace. Yet today, all of a sudden, out of the blue, here comes a chicken shit warrant that this fat fuck detective out of Lancaster Sheriff's Department has once again placed on me. Now let me tell you why I know it's this fat belly rub fuck boy. Because places where I've went to audit, people have called me and contacted me and told me, hey man, this detective has it out for you. He came over here and he talked to us. He told us that we could press charges on you. So yeah, Mr. Fat Belly fucking Pig Boy, I'm coming after your badge now, bitch. Alright guys, so we're here. We're here in Lancaster. Messing with people or what? It takes all of them for this one guy. He's 72? So why are they taking him in for though?
How you doing, Steven?
Good, how are you?
Doing very well.
Now, as you guys can see, I was trying to be cordial with this guy. He even said, how you doing, Steven? They all know me by name. I even told him, good, how are you? Guess what this son of a bitch does 2 minutes later? Yeah, they all pretty much know me out here, man. That's what we do. We cop watch and just make sure they're not violating people's rights. You know, so that's why he knew me by name. Huh? Oh yeah. Crazy stuff, bro. Hey, what's up, man?
You had a warrant issued on February 21st of this year for $2,000 for disturbing the peace, okay?
Okay, so you guys are not stupid. Once again, on the 27th, I had court. Not one time did the judge, not one time did the DA, and not one time did my attorney say, hey, dude, they placed this little weird warrant on you. Don't worry about it. I'm going to take care of it, blah, blah, blah. Not one time no one said a word like that to me. But yet here's this guy talking about, there's a warrant out for your arrest that came out on the 21st. Hey, Steven, what's up? What is this? You know, these guys are fucking tripping. They're really tripping out here, guys, in Lancaster, California, the fake sniper shooting city.
Do a citation to give you a new court date for it.
All right.
All right?
All right.
So just give me a few.
Gary, right?
Yeah, Gary.
Gary? All right.
I'm glad you guys took care of it.
Where, hey, excuse me, I got a question for you. Where was that out of?
It's out of Allen Valley. I'll have the warrant number and all that stuff on there for you.
All right.
I appreciate you guys.
Do you guys see what they do when you watch them? When you watch these guys, they start retaliating.
You want me to keep my mouth shut?
No, do your thing, bro, whatever.
What did he say? He's going to write you up or what?
Yeah, he says that supposedly they put a warrant out for $2,000 for disturbing the peace February the 21st, but what is he talking about?
Over there in secret, bro.
I'm not.
Those are gonna try to pull you away.
Yeah, I know. They hate me out here, bro. You know what's crazy? Just the other day, I filmed them over at the courthouse taking all those vehicles, and there was like 5 or 6 sheriffs right there that seen me, that recognized me, and not one of them said a word to me about anything like that.
Alright guys, so these guys are, now they're again picking on EV watchmen out here in Lancaster. Telling them they have a warrant, they're going to write them up. You know, that's just the way these cowards operate out here. Always trying to find something on somebody.
What's this guy talking about, bro? See what I'm saying? What they're always trying to do out here?
Yeah, I'll give you guys a phone call, okay? Hello? Yeah, you guys are good.
They're crooked. This was Deputy Garay, Garay.
Fucking liar. Fucking trash. They want me, dude. They fucking want me. I fucking caught him when he was telling his buddy that you had something on your thing.
That's crazy.
Standing over there, you can see him over there. He's over here fucking pointing in your direction, right?
I gotta sign this citation, guys. Sign it here.
It's a pedestrian stop. Okay. What's a good phone number for you?
661-674.
It's for disturbing the peace. I don't know if it was
I don't
for
even
the
know where
hospital
that's at.
incident or who it's
Oh,
for.
hell no, it can't be for the hospital.
Like I said, it was issued right here, 2/21 of 2020.
That's
Okay,
crazy.
This is the warrant number. It could just be a clerical error at the court, but the
Yeah.
court's the one that issues warrants,
Yeah,
not
that's,
us.
I'll figure it out.
Okay, so all
Thank you,
this
man.
is not admitting guilt, just stating you'll appear in court before or on the indicated date and time, which is April 24th of
I
2020.
understand. All right.
So, you
We're
can, like I
here?
said, and it's a court. You can go anytime the court's open during business hours and take care of it beforehand, or if you want to wait till that court date, you can.
No, I'm going to go up there tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Just get it taken care of. That way you don't have it sitting in there.
Of course, man.
All right?
Yeah,
You have yourself a good day.
you too.
Bunch of bitches with badges. That's all you're known for. Bunch of cowards with weapons. Fucking bitches. Fuck out of here. Fucking thugs. Whack-ass thugs is what you are. Uneducated thugs. You guys want to pull people over on the street, look at yourself in the mirror. Uneducated thugs. Uneducated thugs.
This comes with the territory, guys. I have no idea what this is for. But yet, all of a sudden, there's something disturbing the peace and something I don't do. Hey, a good cop will turn in bad cops, man. If you find a bad cop, turn them in. All right, guys. So most of you might be sitting here thinking, why the hell did AV just thank him for that ticket? Let me tell you guys why. You guys know I got no problem with chewing out a cop and telling him something. But now I got to be smart about this. I'm no longer in the softball league. I'm in the major league. And this is some major shit that's going on with me out here in Lancaster, California with these crooked sheriffs trying to do their best to keep me oppressed, trying to put me and my family out in the street and make us homeless. It ain't going to go down like that. So I thank this guy because let me tell you why. I'm thanking him for buying that brand new house for me. I'm thanking him for buying that brand new motorhome for me. And most of all, I'm thanking him because they are about to put my kids through the finest college. Guaranteed. Mark my words. This is AV Watchman.